बातें चल रही हैं उन लोगों की जिनके पास टाइम नहीं है प्यार, इश्क, मोहब्बत और सेक्स के लिए.
But we do have an SMS. And this time it's from Mumbai, from Dinesh. He says, I am so exhausted every night that I don't even get aroused. Is stress making me impotent?
Yeah, stress can be a complete passion killer. And me, well, I'm the lady killer. And लड़कियां मुझे मेरे good looks को देख के stress हो जाती हैं. So यहाँ पर मैं आपसे इतना ही कहूँगा कि थोड़ा de-stress कीजिए अपने आप को.
Fact is, it can increase cholesterol levels. It can actually make your muscles very stiff.
Bodies need exercise and sex, well, it's the best workout. So don't deprive yourself of it. And your stress, well, it can make you feel that you don't want to have sex.
You need to try and relax yourself, all right? Do some breathing exercises and maybe spend some time getting aroused with your partner. You know, do it in the morning maybe, you know, when you're not so tired. And then if it really doesn't work, then you need to see your doctor.
Just put yourself on a very healthy sex diet. Also try spending some quick time at home or yoga. It's good for the muscles and the mind. It relaxes you.
You know, sex is the best stress reliever. They all say that. Get your partner to relax with you, though, you know, with a hot bath, maybe an erotic massage.
Look at us. Do we look stressed to you by any angle? Look at us. We're just so relaxed.
And now in this very relaxed state of ours, we will still try and solve your problems. Coming in via email, Vishal says, I was circumcised when I was young. Is this going to affect my life, my sex life, when I get married, or will I be able to satisfy my wife?
Well, Brother Vishal, we've already established that size doesn't matter and how you use it does. Now, same goes for this situation. Circumcision basically involves just the snipping off of the foreskin, which is anyways not an important part of sexual stimulation. Plus, from a hygiene point of view, it's good to be circumcised.
And drop all the extras, you know, and just focus on her. You shouldn't really go wrong with that piece of advice.
Hey, still on Sex in Time, about making time for sex.
We have a caller online, Amrita from Guwahati. Amrita, are you there?
Hi, Kamal. How
There
are
she
you?
is. Very well. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Good.
What's up?
Hello?
What's up?
Nothing much. Actually, I have a bit of a problem here.
Okay, tell us then.
Well, can you tell me a way to hijack my boyfriend? Because you see, he's a national swimmer, and he's got a great body, but whenever I try to make a move on him, he's always apologizing.
Apologizing for what?
Well, he's always rushing either to practice or he's too tired after practice. The only time I actually get to see him is with minimum clothing is when he's getting out of bed to run into the shower.
So,
So it's that pathetic a situation.
So here's what you do. Run into the shower with him. Have a quickie in the shower, Amrita. Lap timing 30 seconds and we have a winner.
And 1 lap in the shower and 100 at the pool. I mean, he can surely give you that.
Now, personally for me, I love the breaststroke, Amrita. I'm sure he does that too. He can dive in.
The whole deal is that he's always so busy that he gets irritable, you know, when I try and tell him that, you know, maybe we should spend some time together. He gets really irritable. Right? He's like, no, I'm in a hurry, maybe later. And later he's always tired.
Well, you know, maybe he's more of a butterfly fan, you know, like, try the butterfly stroke, you know, maybe by wrapping your legs around him in the standing position.
But let me get to him, you see. He doesn't let me do that.
Okay,
I can only show him my moves when he lets me get that far.
Is he training for a championship or something right now?
Well, he's always training for something or the other. The only thing I know is that he has no time for me.
Well, why don't you do this? You know, you were talking about hijacking him earlier. Why not actually, like, show him some support, go to his practice sessions with him, right? A, you get to see him in little clothes, because he'll be in his little swimming briefs. B, you can actually grab him afterwards and take him to the locker room, you know?
Okay, on that she's kidding now. Okay, but what you could do is jump into the pool with him.
He doesn't like mixing business with pleasure, you see.
Or fill your bathtub with water, you know, maybe he'll feel more at home.
Yeah, but then he has to be at home for me to use the bathtub.
Hide his swimming trunks then, man. Best thing. Hide his swimming trunks. Tell him that you're going to leave him if he doesn't leave swimming.
I think that's the best idea from the sex guru.
Hai na?
Yeah.
Well, it looks like we've been up and down the pool right now, covered all the angles, done all the strokes. I think it's your choice now. Decide what works for you, what made sense, what didn't, and, you know, good luck.
Yeah.
And he's a swimmer. So he likes to do laps in the pool, right? So sit in his lap and give him a lap dance.
Listen, I'm very scared of water. I don't know how to swim.
No, lap dance doesn't necessarily involve water unless you'd like
No,
it
but you
to.
told me to get into the pool earlier. I don't know how to swim.
Okay, don't do that. Give him a lap dance.
Okay, that's me. Yeah, maybe
It is
I
your
can.
man, yeah?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay?
Yeah.
Thanks so much for calling in.
Thank you so much.
Have fun trying your
Yeah, thank
options.
you so much, both of you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Amrita.
Well, moving on. Time for our next SMS. This is all the way from Chennai, Kamal, and it's Shalini who says, the best sex I ever had was in an aeroplane toilet with my fiance who was a purser on the flight. Why have I never felt the same again?
Mile High Club, huh? Talk about flying high in the sky, girl. I mean, you really enjoyed the sex so much because it was spontaneous, you see, and the danger of actually getting caught was what made it so exciting.
It was so exciting, 2K. It was a surprise. Aeroplane, bathroom, quickie. Wow, it's great, man.
That's right. The thrill of hiding and getting caught gives us an extra rush of adrenaline, which really only makes sex more exciting.
Yeah, something like, fasten your seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen. We have mild turbulence in the bathroom ahead. Well, a head in hand is worth two in the bush. Just kidding.
Shalini, listen, don't compare excitement levels in sex, okay? One time is better than the other. Accept it for what it is.
Yes, now we're all boarding the bathroom. Passengers, weapons are not allowed on board as long as you keep 10 in your pants. Enjoy the flight number 69 traveling to Bangkok.
Okay, now before Samir tries flying his own airline, which could become disaster, why don't we get to the next email? Okay, every time we plan to have sex, my wife spends so long in the bathroom that I fall asleep and then she gets angry with me. That's from Manoj in Pune.
Bit of stomach problem there, maybe? I don't know, probably go to the bathroom with her. That's what you could do.
Oh, dear wife, I hope you're watching this because I want you to know I totally understand where you're coming from, all right? Come on, Manoj. She's spending that much time in the bathroom because she wants to make sure she looks good for you.
Manoj, मैं आपकी प्रॉब्लम समझ सकता हूँ. Women spend too much time in the loo. Sometimes I can finish balancing my checkbook, do my monthly shopping, and file my taxes while I'm waiting for her to come out of the loo.
Oh, you forgot about, actually sitting on the toilet and reading like 10 papers and a couple of magazines and...
If she lets me go into the bathroom in the first place, Kamal.
Come on, Samir. I mean, men spend just about as much time as women do, but men are just more impatient, you see, so they feel like we actually take longer. Well, what I'd like to suggest to your wife is that you take care of all the hygiene in advance so that you don't keep your husband waiting, all right?
Manoj, mere dost, mere bhai, while she's in the bathroom, get yourself some erotic TV time so you can get aroused when she gets out. No sleeping. Only sleeping with wife is allowed.
Oh, and tell her maybe she should start preparing for bed earlier than she normally would, You folks can SMS us at Dangerous, space your message, and send it to 8888. Your sexy horoscope coming right up.